the Brazilian bundle hair. This is from the Janet collection, and it is, let's start off first with this one. It's 100% natural version Remy hair, and it's unprocessed, and I got it in a 613. The length is an 18, 20, and a 22. So I'm gonna be coloring this hair. Okay, so also it comes with a natural temple 13x4 lace frontal, which is 360. Okay, so let me pop this out. I need to see this. Purchase this hair if you can get your hands on this hair, because I've gotten this hair before, and this hair is bomb all the way, honey. So this is what the closure, the frontal looks like. Yes, so I'm super excited to dye this hair. I'm going to be watercoloring it. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be using is the Janet collection, and it's the Brazilian bundle hair, and I got it in the color 613. It comes in what is this, 22, a 20, and an 8.
Original. Yeah. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
the bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me hard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said
The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go.
It's VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane,
hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to girl, you are me island team. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. Don't know. Listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time. You must be baby. Yeah.
This hair is so bomb. I did a video on this hair before, guys, talking about the Janet collection, and actually did a wig with it, but I didn't put all these nice vibrant colors in it, you know what I mean? I didn't. But that's just letting you know that the Janet collection hair does dye very good, and watercolor's very good, and it also, I put the colors also on the hair, so it's in the video. Everything is in the video. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm just in love. Look, it's like the peekaboo colors and stuff like that. Anyway, all right, let me turn around that way you can see the back. Now, if you see from this angle, you see the colors back there. Yes, that's what I wanted, the peekaboo thing. So this hair is really nice. It took the color like really good. It's like sucked it on up, like yes. It took it really nice. The colors came out very vibrant and very pretty. Let me do a close-up that way you can see it more. I have some green highlights. I have, oh honey, I have so many colors up in here, and hands down the best. Okay, so this is Beauty Hair Store hair, very affordable. You get your hands on it. I got the 18, 20, and 22 in the 613 and the color 613. So guys, if you want these vibrant colors, I would not say get black and dye it. I would say get 613 and just dye it. You know, just get 613 if you want 613. I didn't see any other videos with like the black on top and then the peekaboo. So I wanted something different that's not on YouTube. So that's the reason why I got these colors. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need you to click that Taco Bell either on your right or my left or your right, whatever is theirs. Double smash it, triple smash it, because if you double smash it, that means you're going to turn it off. It's on. Okay. Anyway, you know, like J Baby always says, J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.